Dad, can I talk to you?
Sure, anytime, sugar. What's up?
I'm worried about Michael. He's been acting really weird.
Corey, being weird is just part of being a teenager. He'll grow out of it.
I think it's more than that.
Huh?
Nothing. Never mind.
You know, for $10, I could score us some crack.
Oh, yeah, crack. Now we're talking.
You've got money, Michael.
But crack, that's serious stuff.
Come on, Michael. You're not gonna chicken out on your friends, are you?
Yeah, what are you, baby?
Got your wallet.
Hey, give me that back!
Cowabunga, dude! How did you ever get so totally cool?
What am I doing down here?
Like you fell through a radical hole, dude. You could have avoided it, but you weren't thinking. Come to think of it, that's a lot of your problem.
What problem?
Drugs, bud. Your brain must be, like, really messed up.
Drugs don't do anything to your brain. They just make you feel good, right, Mikey?
Right.
Whoa, dude. If you're taking his word for it, you're really in trouble. Better see for yourself.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
This.